How to replace the wireless charger LED assembly. Removal. Important. This video shows the removal for the 24-inch platform. The 27-inch platform may have variations in placement and number of screws. Remove the 5 rubber feet underneath the stand base. Note: the top middle rubber foot may not be necessary to remove. Remove the 5 P2 Phillips-head screws underneath the rubber feet that secure the stand base to the stand base cover and wireless charger module. Remove the 5 P2 Phillips-head screws that secure the stand base to the stand base cover and wireless charger module. Important: the 5 screws are underneath a plastic shielding and will have dots to mark their location. You can place your screwdriver over the dot and then puncture the plastic shielding to reveal and then remove the 5 screws. Note: the screws on the furthest left and right points are shorter than the middle screws. Carefully unclip the stand base from the stand base cover. Remove the stand base from the stand base cover. Disconnect the wireless charger LED assembly cable from the wireless charger module and remove it from its routing channel along the stand base cover. Remove the P1 Phillips-head screw that secures the wireless charger LED assembly to the stand base cover. Remove the wireless charger LED assembly. Replacement. Place the wireless charger LED assembly over its alignment pin on the stand base cover. Replace the P1 Phillips-head screw that secures the wireless charger LED assembly to the stand base cover. Route the wireless charger LED assembly cable through its routing channel along the stand base cover. Reconnect the wireless charger LED assembly cable to its connector on the wireless charger module. Place the stand base over the stand base cover and press down along the edges to clip the stand base into the stand base cover. Replace the 5 P2 Phillips-head screws through the holes in the plastic shielding that secure the stand base cover to the stand base. Replace the 5 P2 Phillips-head screws underneath the rubber feet that secure the stand base cover to the stand base. Replace the rubber feet over the screws on the stand base.